Going hungry throughout the day is one of the most common mistakes made when trying to lose weight. You don't need to eat less, you need to eat better, because keeping the body fully nourished is the most beneficial to our health. This keeps our energy and concentration at optimal levels to carry out our daily activities, but be careful, not any processed food is a good snack. So, before you run out to the vending machine or the nearest kiosk, we leave you with this list of the 5 healthiest snacks you can eat. Eggs, besides being an excellent option for breakfasts, are also one of the best healthy options you'll find for afternoon snacks. These are a great source of protein and vitamin D, and although some people think that eating eggs daily is dangerous, the truth is that if you eat a clean and balanced diet, egg yolks in moderation will not make you prone to heart problems. Prepare them boiled and combine them with other vegetables, so you can take them in a container anywhere and they will keep you satisfied. Eating in colors is healthier. This is the best option to prepare your snack on a busy day, and it is also an excellent snack for children, so that from a young age they learn the importance of a healthy diet. The basic colors of a colorful salad are white, green, orange, yellow, red and violet, each group of color in specific combination of nutrients that help us to be better every day. You can even add yogurt to the salad to make it more delicious. It will be the recipe for happiness. They're easy to make at home, and to order in a restaurant when dining out. And with their multiple health benefits, consuming a serving of leafy greens each day can be one of the best habits to get into, summer or winter. As we know, fruits are very important and cannot be out in our daily diet of colors. And to eat them as snacks, a very fun and simple option is to make fruit salad. One of the healthiest things that you can eat is a fruit salad. With the right kind and amount of fruits, a fruit salad can be very good for you. It is high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants and has a low energy density level. There are a number of healthy food options to choose from, and fruits are among the best. Fruit is also generally low in calories and high in fiber. Of all fruits, apples are one of the healthiest snacks you can eat. Apples are rich in fiber, help with weight loss, and there is a wide variety of healthy recipes you can make with them. To take to work, for children to take to school, or simply to snack at some time of the day. And if you don't have much time, you can spread peanut butter to the apple or eat it on skewers, and that's it. Your healthy snack will be ready. Oatmeal itself is a very healthy food, which offers multiple benefits and with which you can prepare a variety of perfect snacks. Oats are rich in proteins, vitamins, fiber and minerals, ideal in the diet of both children and adults. Some delicious recipes are oatmeal with fruit and milk, oatmeal with yogurt, oatmeal cookies and oatmeal pancakes with peanut butter. Oatmeal cookies have a high fiber content compared to normal sugar cookies.